So, look, what we are going to be discussing today is why Sharify, why we started it, and how we got to where we are. So, Tom and I are pretty passionate about Office 365, passionate about helping people, and out of that, Sharify 365 was born. And I think Tom can probably agree with me. The reasoning behind this is it's twofold really. It's for people to be working more effectively and efficiently, but also to be getting top utilisation out of something that they're already paying for. It doesn't matter what size business you are. Most people are underutilising their 365 licensing. And so this is all about supporting people through that journey because we all know it's evolving. Nearly every day there's a new tool, there's a new feature.
A new update, yeah.
And so it's just really important that people are keeping on top of it. And because everyone's so busy, the idea is that Sharify will support people on that journey. So,
and I think that's the key thing because Office 365 and all the components in there really are a journey. The email is just the first part.
Yes.
And everyone will go to Office 365 and almost 9 times out of 10 the driver is, I just need a better email platform.
Yeah.
Great. No problems, done that. We've got our office software at our machines and we're away. But there is so many more features and applications and components to Office 365 the businesses either they're not using because they don't know about it.
Yeah.
And because Microsoft released them so quickly, I mean, we can have a look in our app launcher. I mean, the list of apps is insane.
I think there's something like 26.
Yeah, it's huge. And
just in this particular part.
And then understanding where to use it and how to use it. So that is why we've developed Sharify. So Sharify is effectively a way that organisations can get into using these features and then be supported along the way with training and advice and support so they can do it and they can use it.
Absolutely. So I think our tagline is work from wherever, on whatever device, with whoever. So, or something like that.
Yeah, and that's pretty clear. Yeah, that'd be close. It was there. It's only new, remember. But yeah, and that was it. So it's really about you look, and a lot of people still have fear of when the word SharePoint's mentioned because traditionally SharePoint's been an enterprise style solution. Clunky. We're talking tens of thousands of dollars to deploy, and that's not uncommon. Yeah. $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 to get something that you probably can't even support yourself.
Yeah.
Which is crazy. Which is again one of the reasons why we went, well, how do we get people using this tool, which is super powerful,
and to empower them to do it themselves.
Yeah, and that's key, and that's Sharify. So what we've done is created essentially a SharePoint template, a structure that we know is going to support a lot of businesses as a starting point, and this is all module you can add and move and change as you go.
And it's customizable. It's just that hierarchy, that tricky bit that it takes people a while to sort of figure out. We've helped with that.
Get a starting point, and that's probably the clear thing behind it is you need somewhere to start. Yeah. Like if you go to your SharePoint site once you bought Office 365, there's nothing in there.
No.
It's blank.
It's pretty blank.
Pretty blank. You actually can get overwhelmed by where do I start? What do I look at? What do I add? How do I use it?
Yeah.
So we've taken all that and packaged it up for you. So you've got a starting point, something that you can share with your team. That's easy. They can start to see what it's about. And then you can start to move stuff up there.
Yeah, and the idea is with each of the ongoing support modules is you'll get content to help you grow. So you'll get your base and then you'll be able to pick and choose what bits you sort of understand, learn, and then apply.
Yep. And as you go through it, as you start using more features, you're able to then leverage more support that's there. So
that's right.
We're offering it's lots of training videos, so you can actually go through yourself, or the champion in your business can go through and learn how to do these things in there once the framework's in place. Learn about the different features, the different functions, even about Office 365. So about your email and your OneDrive and all these things. And it's giving you an introduction to everything.
That's
and
right.
then we're able to to help you go through that process.
And we've kept it simple. So, and most of the, I guess, materials, most of the videos are quite short.
Yep.
So people can consume them in their own time, or you might watch a few videos over a lunch and learn session and talk through how you might apply that as a business process. So there's a whole range of different ways you can approach it.
Yeah.
And we're here the whole time.
That's right, and that's the reality of it, is you're going to have those questions that pop up. Oh, I've just watched this video. I'm not quite sure about this. Well, part of our membership program is about, well, giving you access to SharePoint people and specialists who know this stuff. So
Exactly.
ask the question. We've got forums. We've got one-on-one support options. We'll be running webinars. We'll be running, which is one of the great features of the... If you've got a specific question about your business that you want answered, get on our weekly webinar and ask the question, what it is, and we will be there to actually talk you through that for you, so you know how to then go and apply it to your business.
It's completely customizable. So all the options are there. It's just a matter of signing up and get going.
Yeah, so looking forward to it. Launch coming soon.
Awesome.
Cheers.